and I am a college counselor with Chicago Scholars. Today, I will show you 3 things you should expect to learn at the launch workshop in July. First, what exactly are launch workshops and how do they benefit you? Second, the Chicago Scholars leadership competencies and how they will help you develop your leadership skills. Third, the July launch workshops leadership competency, and that is humility and self-reflection skills.
The July launch workshop is titled Launching Your Path to College. What are launch workshops and how will they benefit you? Workshops are held at the beginning of every month. While they're not mandatory, they're definitely worth your time. Workshops allow you to connect deeply with your peers and your mentors, grow leadership skills as an individual and as a cohort, and prepare you for your monthly one-on-one college counseling sessions. The Chicago Scholars leadership competencies you will learn about at each workshop include problem solving and critical thinking, collaboration and teamwork, humility and self-reflection, initiative, accountability, growth mindset, decision-making, communication, creativity and innovation, self-confidence and awareness. Every workshop, we will have a reflection on how these competencies show up for you. And if you take our leadership development activities seriously, you will start to see immediate growth in your leadership. To wrap it up, you were just shown, first, what the launch workshops are all about and how they will benefit you. Second, the Chicago Scholars leadership competencies and how your leadership will grow. Third, the first set of leadership competencies you'll learn about at the July workshop. That is humility and self-reflection skills. Thanks for watching. You're going to do great. If you have any questions, contact teamlaunch@chicagoscholars.org. Thank you and have a fabulous day.